Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating a stormy Halloween look. To get into character, I've put on a wig and I'm applying the TTDEYE Zombie Curse colored contact lenses. You can use my discount code TheTaylorCherie for 10% off. Next, I'm taking the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk on a spoolie and brushing this through my brows to whiten them. Then, as always, I'm cleaning up the brow area and priming my eyelids with the Plouise base in shade 0.5. For eyeshadow, I'm using the NYX Sugar Trip Squad eyeshadow palette and picking up this Periwinkle shade. I'm applying this to the inner and outer corners of the eye and slightly dragging the two to meet in the middle of the crease like a halo eye. For the center of the lid, I'm tapping on a little bit of a mixture of these two glitters from the Glitter Realm Majestic palette. Then, I'm brightening that area with some white eyeshadow called Flashback from the Morphe James Charles palette. Now for the face, I'm priming with the Maybelline Master Hydrating Primer. For foundation, I'm using the Innisfree Cushion Foundation in the shade Cool Ivory, which is very pale and has a skin-like finish. For concealer, I'm using the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Concealer in the shade Fair 10 In. After blending that in with a damp e.l.f. sponge, I'm setting it in place with the Maybelline Translucent Powder. We're looking pretty ghostly now, which is what we want, but I do want some dimension in the face, so I'm contouring with a cool toned shade from the Makeup Revolution Pro HD Contour Palette. For my nose, I'm switching to the Morphe Jaclyn Hill 43 brush for a more precise application, then I'm pouncing my sponge over top to make it appear more natural. For blush, I'm applying a light pink shade from the Custom Rosé palette by Finding Ferdinand. For highlight, I'm using a loose highlighter which will give a very extreme glow. This is the Sunlit Loose Highlighter in the shade Nile by City Color. To give a more pigmented effect, I'm using the smaller, more precise Morphe GH39 brush to apply it to my nose, cupid's bow, and inner corner of my eyes. Now for lashes, I'm first curling them with the Kevyn Aucoin Lash Curler, then I'm taking the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk on a spoolie and brushing through my lashes to turn them white. For my lower lash line, I'm sweeping on the same Periwinkle shade to my inner and outer corners and highlighting the center with the white from the Morphe James Charles palette. Then, I'm applying the Jumbo Eye Pencil to my waterline and applying some glitter to the center of the lower lash line. For lips, I'm first concealing them with the ColourPop concealer, then I'm applying the Pixi Lip Lift Max in the shade Sorbet. So far, this look is super versatile and could be portrayed as a ghost, an ice queen, a cloud, etc. To take it to the stormy vibes I'm going for, I'm drawing on some lightning bolts. First, I'm using the eyeshadow to give some dimension, then I'm creating the lightning bolts going from the center of my lower lash line down my cheeks using the NYX Epic Wear Liquid Liner in white. And that completes this Halloween look. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!